today's video mga friendship, we are going to unbox the gift from Aunt Carla! Yay! My baby love unboxing. Thanks Aunt Carla for our gift! Yay! Isaac love to unbox your gift. Yan. She told us that you can find only this one in Iowa. So, we are excited to unbox it. What is inside? Are you excited, baby mama? Yay! Yay! We are going to open it. Yeah. Thank you, Aunt Carla. So, Isaac are excited to open it. So, Mama will open it like this. Just a second, Mama. Okay, Mama. Yes. Ooh. Oh my G, Mama. Oh. Wow. Oh my G. This is Monastery, our finest caramel assortment. Oh my God. Thanks, Aunt Carla. For sure, this Paul will love it. He loves caramel. So we're gonna open it this one. Oh, love! Come! This one you will love it. Yes! Oh my God! Oh my God! This is my husband's favorite! Oh, love is your favorite! Oh my G! So let's try Aunt Carla. So good. Love. Thank you, Aunt Carla. I really love it. And Paul will love it for sure. This is his favorite caramel candy. Thank you. Bye.